Wednesday, April 19th, we are on Anna Garrido's roof doing a repairability test. We've got Chris Warthen with Gladiator Roofing and Restoration. Chris, if you want to walk us through this.
Okay, so we're gonna pop this shingle loose. Gotta be very careful. These shingles are in awful shape. Lift it up to repair. Right here at about a 45. Maybe not even. You can see the nails. I mean, you might be able to get a hammer in there to do that, repair that. You drop it back down, and if you could look, there's a crease already starting, but until it rains, those granules are going to sit there in that crease. So what I'm going to do is wipe my hand across it, and you will see, watch. It's that easy. Completely creased. It'd be a domino effect. You start doing this one, it's going to tear the entire roof up. So where do you start and stop? But as you can see clearly,
I see it.
We're not going to repair this. It's going to damage the shingle.
Yeah, especially trying to
look
get
at the crease. Get it close up. And that was me wiping it once, because if you don't do that, granules will sit there until it rains.